Hi, bro. How did you know about Animal Company? Write it in the comments. Let's know each other better.
We are not horses. We are people. And people are able to win that money! Whoa! Yeah, I'm a billionaire now! Whoa! Yeah! Let's go! Whoa! No! No! Hey, what is this party? Hey, turn it off!
Hey! Get out! This isn't your party! Get out!
Hey, what are you guys doing?
If you're gonna kill all of us, you have to at least get the meat first.
Kill all of you next.
No!
What is that noise? Oh no! Oh no!
Hey! That was mine!
Nope.
You guys, so run like haywire when I shoot it. You ready? Go! Run! 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 And run! Run! Run!
Good
Go,
job.
go, 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 go!
I got him! Kill me! Yeah!
3 reasons why I'm a bad boyfriend. Number 1, I'm so ugly. I'm so ugly. Number 2, I just want cuddles. And number 3, I won't call you babe or baby. I'll call you mummy.
Fuck? Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
Fuck you!
Wake up!
What? Fuck you! Fuck you!
Dookie! Where are you? Dookie! What are you doing?
I wanna die,
No!
but in a beautiful way.
No! Not Dookie!
Fuck you! You're
Here lays Big Dookie. He has died of being too big of a dookie. Farewell, Dookie. I'll never see him again.
Alright guys, listen up. But one of y'all smell like absolute shit, so I'm gonna smell all of you and see who has not taken a shower in days. Alright. You smell like my wet dog, but that doesn't matter. Alright. You smell like my grandma. I don't really like her. Oh, dear God, did you just fart? Holy shit.
Dear Lord, have mercy. How long has it been since you've taken a shower?
It's only been like 2 weeks.
2 weeks? You got flies. You got flies.
They're my friends.
You're you stink! You should be a homeless person
I don't.
on the street!
Yo, twin. You know what hood you in, twin?
No.
You in Blue Hood. The best
No,
gift
you in
ever, twin.
Red Hood!
Uh-oh, I just started drama! Coca-Cola, yes, it is really good. Red light. Stop! I played these games before! Get out! Okay,
If I shoot you, you're in the clan. Sorry, you didn't make it into the clan.
Sir, I need you to fix my shotgun.
Alright, I'll fix your shotgun.
Alright, just make sure to shoot it at something. Like, test
Okay.
it.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm gonna kill you.
No,
I'm gonna kill you.
no, no.
Yup, I'm gonna kill you.
Sit back.
Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He's dead. Don't let me go. Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Wait, what'd you say? How do you have the unreleased spacesuit? Oh, I don't know. How do you get it? Tell me right now. Tell me right now. Tell me right now. Tell me right now to get it. Tell me.
What happened?
Dude. Look, he has an unreleased jacket.
I don't know what you're talking
Huh?
about.
Tell me right now, or I'm gonna punch you.
Bro,
It's literally right there. Right where? Where? Over there? That?
I got an unreleased
Let's update my game.
Update your game and you will know.
Update your game. Guys, everyone update your game. Everyone
Update your game and you will know. It's not unreleased.
Are you punching me? Hawk 2. Hawk 2. Hawk 2.
You guys see my little kitty cupcake? She is the sweetest thing ever. She's right there. Go pet her. Go pet her. She's really friendly. Oh, quit being dramatic. She's friendly.
It's on my face.
No, she's just showing affection. Calm down. Oh God. I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you.
Why you killing?
Yo.
He didn't do anything to you.
It's not that serious.
Yes, it is. He could have been going through something. You could have killed him. That could have meant his whole life.
Mason, what the hell is that?
This is my Chicka Chicka Bang 3000.
3,000? Yeah. What does it do?
3000. So if I shoot it, all of the RPGs go off at once.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, sure. Just don't shoot it.
I like it. Let's shoot.
Why did you shoot it? Why? Why?
Sorry.
I said not to shoot it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Why?
Jacob, it was just a joke. I'm not gonna give you any cookies, you diabetes.
Cookie!
You have diabetes! I'm not giving it to you!
Let's see how it is.
Hey, Daddy. Look at my new friend.
Oh.
What's up, buddy? Hello.
Money talks. Money talks. Yeah. Money talks.
Oh yeah, Jacob.
Woo! Yeah.
Let's go. I'm going to heaven. Hey!
Come here, buddy.
You stole my ammo company coins?
No, no, no!
You stole my ammo company coins? Come here, buddy.
No, 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 no.
Who'd you get?
Why you kill him?
I did not kill him. No, 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 no.
Why
No,
you kill
not the big boo. No. Bro, you know what? You know what? You know what?
Niggle. Niggle. Niggle, niggle, wiggle, niggle, la, 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 niggle, niggle. I hate niggle.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah?
One has a short wick and one has a long wick.
The left one.
Incorrect.
Okay, guys, today I'm eating the Grimace shake. Or drinking it. Whatever.
Bro, do not try that, dude. People have died from that.
I don't care.
Dude, no, what are you doing? Dude, nah, I can't stay here, bro. No, Remy, you.
You see them too?
Yeah.
You see them too, man? Yeah, Grimace, please don't Grimace on me, bro. I didn't do anything, man.
No, chill out. He's just a little tiny boy.
Mason, there's a spider right here, and I really don't want to touch it. Could you kill it for me?
It's not dying. It's not dying. It's not dying.
What's your problem?
Hey, Mason.
What?
Oh, you got a balloon. That's pretty cool.
I know, it's my first balloon I ever got, so super special to me.
Oh, so you really like it, huh?
Uh-huh, it's my favorite. Hey! What's your problem?
And done. Finally, my masterpiece is done.
Yeah, but this is so cool.
Shadow, what are you doing? Shadow. Hey, Shadow. No, drop it. Shadow, drop it. No, Shadow, no.
Alright, so the calculus would be.
Yo, bro, get out of
Shut up! Oh my God. It took me 4 flipping seconds for you guys to piss me off! I hate you!
Ooh, these burritos are so good.
Toilet though. Get me on the toilet.
No! Alright, guys, who's gonna win in a fight? 100 men? Versus 1 gorilla. Alright, guys, aim. 3, 2, 1, and fire! Damn! Okay, doggy, I'm gonna put this on your collar, okay? Alright.
No.
Who would you die for? Who would you lie for? No, like I'm actually getting mad. Another shotgun, because I'm too good.
Cheeks. I hate you. Cheeks. Bare butt
Watch
cheeks.
this. Watch this.
Bare butt cheeks. Bare spread butt. Oh, I died.
Nope.
Oh my gosh.
What? What? Yo, I'm tweaking.
Why me? Bro.
Holy easy. Holy easy.
Yo, how about you like shut up?
I died while I'm dead. What? How did? You're fucking done. No, I'm not.
But keep crying, little Timmy. You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game couldn't be me.
Yo, Mason, grab the shotgun.
Ooh, shotgun.
Oh. Oh, because it's right here. It's because it's right here.
Alright.
Oh. Yeah. Why didn't you pick it up? Oh, look, it's here. Oh. Oh, because it's right there. Oh.
Hey,
What do I want? What?
get boxed.
Oh, dude. Dude, let me out. Dude, let me out. Dude, let me out. What are y'all doing?
Today's my birthday today, guys.
Hey! Dude! Why is there so much?
I know me and Ogre have had our fair share of stuff, but I think we actually have made up a friendship, to be honest.
Cooking Billy Badass Index.
Now you honestly said.
Says the one who died. Who's Unk? Who's Unk? And you're in stash.
Behind you! Bad like you suck. You're so bad.
Even though you're the one who's dead. I don't think he knows I'm recording. And you're in stash again.
You too. One day.
Oh my goodness!
Last, join me, I'll give you some
Yo, you gotta give me one. You gotta give me one.
I'll give you an landmine, bro.
Nah, let her crash out. Let her crash out.
Yeah, bro. Help me buy
No,
some.
dude, join me. I'll give you a landmine. I'll give you.
Finally. Oh! Come here. Take this egg. Ugh. Anyway, alright. Time to lay on this egg. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay.
What are you doing, my child?
Come here.
What are you doing, my child?
Shut up. Now come here. Hey! Come here.
Okay, drop your item.
Bro.
Alright, start walking. Dude!
Big
Scammer gets scammed.
Oh my
Scammer gets scammed.
god! He wanted to scam me.
No.
Are you ever gonna scam again?
No.
You
No.
promise?
Yes. Stop.
Butt plunger.
No. No.
Yeah.
You girls.
What do you say now? Away, so I can't even hear you, suckers.
No.
What? I muted you. I can't hear you. What?
No.
Why? I'm gonna walk away from you. I'm not gonna fall for that. I didn't even fall for it. I was just playing.
Then why'd you die?
Wait, no.
I muted you.
No, you're dating 72 girls.
What do you say now?